Hello students, in this video we will go through chapter 6, formatting a document. Let me remind you once again, I have not started chapter number 3 and 4. We will go through these two chapters later on. So till now we have completed chapter number 1, 2 and 5. Now let us come back to the topic. In this chapter we will learn how to apply different formatting features to our text in the document. By now all of you know how to open Microsoft Word. So let me show you once again. You need to click on Start button. From the Startup menu, click on Microsoft Office Word 2007, 2010, 2013, whatever you have, or you may also go to All Program and click on Microsoft Office. From the drop down list, go and click on Microsoft Office Word 2007, 10 or 13, whichever version you have. So this is a Microsoft Office Word window. So let me walk on my document. So I have already typed a text and I will be applying a formatting features to this text. Now let me remind you, you may apply the formatting feature either to a single text, to the whole sentence, or a paragraph as a whole. So let me start line by line. So you need to understand that if you want to apply any kind of formatting features, you need to select the text. It is very important. So let me select the text. Now I want to apply the font style. So you will get 3 font style. This is B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. So if I click on B, so what will happen? The text will become bold. That is, the size of the text get increased. You can also click on italic. So your text looks in a slanted position. If you want to underline the text, you can click on underline. So your text get underlined. So in this sentence I have used 3 types of font style, that is bold, italic and underline. Now let me go to the next text. Let me select it. Now I want to use different font options that are available in the font group. So we call this as a font group and you will get the font group in the home tab. Now let me show you. We call this as a font color. So if you click on the drop down arrow, you will see a list of font colors available in this box. Next, we call this as a font size. So once you click on the drop down arrow, you will get a list of size, or you may also click on grow font button. The size of the text will increase. If you want to decrease the size of the text, you need to click on this shrink font button. And if you want to increase the handwriting style, so you need to click on the font option here. Click on the drop down arrow. So you will see a list of handwritings that are available in the box. So these are the 3 font options you may use to format the text. So let me select the text. Let me give one color. So click on the drop down arrow of the font color option. Choose one color. Now if you want to increase the size, you just scroll or move the mouse pointer. As you move the mouse pointer, you can see that the size of the text get increase or decrease. Or you can also click on this button to increase the size. So if you want to decrease the size, you click on this, that is shrink font button. Next is handwriting style. So click on the drop down arrow of the font option. As you move through the different font, you will see the handwriting style of the text get changed, so you can use it according to your need. So this is how we change the font color, size and handwriting style. Again, you can apply the same process. You just select the text, go to the font color, choose one of the color you want. If you want to make it bold, click on bold. If you want to underline it, click on underline. You can increase or decrease the size of the text. Click on font option and choose one of the handwriting you want. You can also format a single text or a whole paragraph. So I just want to format a single text. So select the text New Delhi, give one color. You can make it bold, you can increase the size or you can decrease the size according to your need. Let me take one handwriting style, say this one, and I want to apply different font to this section of the sentence. So select this part, click on one of the font color option. You can make it bold, italic, underline, whatever you want, and again scroll bar and use the handwriting style you want. So this is how we apply different font option to our text. Now next I want to show you is how to highlight the color for the text. So first select the text. Now we call this as a text highlight color button. So click on the drop down arrow, so you can use one of the color. In this way you can highlight the text. First select it, go to the color and highlight the text accordingly. Or what you can also do, if you don't want to highlight the text, first again select the text, go here and click on no color, the highlighted get removed. Or as I have told you in our previous video, you can also use a undo or redo button from the quick access toolbar. So I hope you have understood it, how to apply different formatting features, that is font, font style, font color, font size and text highlight color to the text in a document. So I want all of you to practice it at home. Thank you children. Again we will meet it in the next class. Thank you children.